Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install the CapCut video editor for your desktop. So let's get started. If you haven't used CapCut before, it is an advanced video editing software with many basic and advanced features such as video trimming, adding music or filters, text overlays, and many advanced features such as removing background, AI support, resizing videos, speech to text or text to speech, and many other features. CapCut has developed by ByteDance, which is also the same company behind TikTok. And the best part is you can use CapCut for free. To download the CapCut desktop application, simply open your web browser and go to the official CapCut website. You can also find this website link in my video's description below. And after you land to this website, CapCut gives you a couple of different downloading options. You can either download and use it for your desktop, even if you use a Windows computer or a MacBook computer, or you can download and use it in your mobile devices. CapCut also gives you the option to edit your videos directly online without necessarily downloading it. If you don't have your computer with you, or maybe if you have a very slow device, then you can also use this feature. You just need to sign up for free and you can directly start editing your videos online on your browser. But for this video, we are going to download it for desktop. If you are a Mac user, then you should see this option here, download for Mac. Otherwise, if you are a Windows user, then you should see the download for Windows option. Click on this button and the download will begin. And after the download is complete, go ahead and click on the download file and this will open the CapCut installer. Simply follow the instruction steps, and after the installation is complete, now you should be able to run CapCut on your desktop. In order to begin your first video editing project, simply click on the new project button and it will take you to this interface. Simply drag and drop the project file that you want to edit, and now you can start editing your videos with CapCut. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please hit the like button. Thank you guys for watching and see you later.